Hi, I am Merlin, a self-taught artist from Chennai, India. This is a very recent work for Pongal with a vintage twist. Stepping back to 2000 years, the golden age where prosperity wasn't just a season but a lifestyle. I am now visualizing my canvas as a movie, a beautiful scene from the golden age or the Sangam era. Here's how my story unfolds. The golden shimmer of the morning sun has been carried throughout the painting. As the foundation of prosperity, in the distance we can see Kallanai, an engineering marvel built by the Cholas using stone interlocking method without any cement. This mastery over water is why exactly the people in my painting can be seen celebrating the harvest season. In the courtyard, there is a beautiful, brilliant brick and stone temple dedicated to Lord Shiva at the time. We pan to a vibrant scene of people gathered under the brilliant temple with vivid murals. Families gather around the earthen pots. As milk and rice boil over, crowds erupt with shouts of Pongalo Pongal, thanking sun and the nature. Vibrant columns decorate the floor, and air filled with a scent of early morning freshness. Now the story pans to celebrated personalities Thiruvalluvar. Tucked away in the mountains is a Tamil poet, philosopher, and author of Thirukkural. Avai, a grandmother poet whose moral verses, like Adi still guide the Tamil culture. Resting by the river is Tolkappiyam, an ancient manuscript. The Tolkappiyam is the oldest surviving Tamil grammar, reminding us the great Tamil Sangam assemblies often met near water, as water is the lifeblood of Tamil civilization. Here is the arena of bravery where Jallikattu is happening on the other side, which is very chaotic and dust filled. It was not just a sport, but a 2000-year-old ritual from the Mullai landscape. Young men gather around trying to embrace a bull's hump without fear, taming it without weapons, proving their bravery. In a quieter but equally powerful corner, a mother is teaching Silambam to their kids, oldest martial arts. It reflects discipline and mindfulness in motion that defined the era. Three great dynasties that quite define ancient Tamil. They were identified by the unique royal emblems on coins or banners. They were the Cholas, Cheras, and Pandyas. Cholas, the tiger, representing power and bravery. Cheras, bow and arrow. Pandyas, twin fish. The energy shifting from serene river banks and golden gleam of mountains to the scene of raw power and disciplined grace shows a complete civilization, one that is spiritually and intellectually deep, technologically advanced, and physically formidable. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Have fun.